Inserting sprites and videos. Scientists in the field of educational studies show that using animations correctly helps students to learn difficult concepts better. That's why we need to consider using animation in presentation. Academic Presenter supports two different approaches to embed animations. The first one is to add animation as a video which will be played in full screen mode at a frame. The second way is to add animation as a sprite. A sprite is an object that illustrates the animation within the canvas, among other elements. To illustrate how we can add a sprite, first we will create an animated chart with Microsoft PowerPoint, and then we will import it inside Canvas. Also, we will show how to embed a video with sound as a video object. PowerPoint is capable of exporting your presentation to video files. However, we don't need the whole presentation, but just one slide. From Insert Chart, choose Proper Chart. For the sake of demonstration, we select Pie Chart. A pie chart will appear in center of your slide. You may need to change the data, but we won't change the data assigned to the chart to keep the tutorial video short. From Animation panel, choose Add Animation, and from Entrance, choose Proper Animation. We choose Wheel Effect. Now you can see we have entrance effect on our chart as a whole. But let's move on and give animation to each quarter. To do so, from Effect option drop-down menu, choose Sequence by category, and done. Of course, we can improve animation timing, but let us stop here and make the video file out of this animation. From File, Save As, choose MP4 file. Finally, we have our animated chart. Now we need to import it into Academic Presenter. In Academic Presenter, you can find a sprite under Insert menu. Click on a sprite and choose your animated chart video file. Now drag your mouse on Canvas to allocate the sprite on proper place. Select your sprite. You will see Sprite's properties in tab bar. First of all, proper aspect ratio of your video file can be retrieved by Edit, Reset Image Aspect Ratio. Now let's get into the control properties you have on a sprite. Playtime determines how many times your video should be played. Choosing a large number can create loop effect. A speed specifies playing speed. Choosing large numbers can cause a sprite finish faster. Eventually, to be sure about output, we may play the sprite. Now let's try another method to insert movies. From Insert menu, choose Video, then browse the video folder and select the video file. Specify the location by dragging your mouse on the screen. An icon will appear. Note that this icon is only visible when we are in design mode. Now our work here is finished and we need to add some keyframes to see the effect of animations, but still we can see the preview of animation. In Lecture 20, we will see how to play sprites and videos at different keyframes.